Hello everyone, my name is Rosario, and I am looking forward to working with all of you over the next few weeks. This is my final class in Ashford to complete my bachelor's in Business Information Systems. Here are a few things about myself to give you an idea of who I am. I've been married to my wife for 22 years now, and we live in New Jersey and have three amazing children, 21-year-old twin boys and a 16-year-old daughter. The boys are seniors in college now and will be graduating in a couple of months, one from MIT and the other from the University of Pennsylvania. Our daughter is a sophomore in high school and is also a competitive dancer. I am a USMC veteran and currently work in telecommunications. I have been involved in this industry for almost 25 years now and was recently promoted to upper management. I know how competitive it is, so I want to be able to make myself as marketable as possible, so I decided to work on my bachelor's in Business Information Systems. One interesting fact about me is that I am very intrigued by physical fitness. It has always been a huge part of my life. I have passed on that passion to my kids as well. I was a personal trainer for a little bit and would love to be able to have time to dedicate to that again at some point. Thank you all for taking time to view my introduction. I look forward to reading your responses and working with all of you over the next few weeks. Thank you.